Can you not see that I am now blessed? I have come back to put a smile on your face. Also take my bride and break a big record in this community. Long time no see. I
told you, Chiwata, that his target is the throne.
What did you call yourself again?
Eddie Bongo, Eddie, too much money.
Now tell me, are you actually after my throne?
I don't want you to lose him. Hold him so that he will marry you.
Are you going to allow your personal interests override the communal interest?
If it's about the throne, I can buy this throne.
This money he's throwing about, how did he make it in such short period of time? Somebody just came back with money, throwing it everywhere. You're not even asking how he made it.
Okay, Manela and the bay go up not very long. If you keep my money now and